Alright, hello first graders. Alright, so our question this week is how can you find your way around? So we use a map. So today you guys are going to create a map. That'll be one of your activities to do. Okay? Alright, we're going to review some vocabulary words. The vocabulary word, locate. Locate. Let's count how many syllables are ready. Locate. How many syllables? 2. Good job. Alright, to locate means to find something. So you might use a compass, like this one, for example, to locate something. Okay? Route. Route. A route is a road or way to school every day, the same route that you take. Okay? So Miss Mason has a route from her house to school, and so she takes the same highway every single day from Wichita to Bentley. Height. The height is something. The height of something is how tall it is. So right here we have a ruler. When you go to a doctor's office, they measure your height, but it's long. Okay, it's not this way, but it's up and down. Okay, and you stand behind it and they measure you with inches. Okay, model. A model is a small copy of something large. So right there's a model airplane. Alright, separate. When you separate two things, remember you keep them apart, right? So we talked about yesterday keeping a dog and a cat separate. So what's something else that you keep separate? Sometimes if you're fighting with your brothers and sisters or cousins, you have to keep separate. You have to separate yourselves for a little bit to cool down. Alright, I'm going to say the sound. You guys are going to blend it together. Are you ready? Ch-at. What's the word? Chat. Good job. W-e-n. What's the word? Win. Good job. Sh. What's the word? Hut. What's the word? H. Touch. Okay, the next one. Cash. Cash. Good job. Graph. What's that word? Graph. Good job. Whip. What's that word? Whip. Good job. Alright, remember CH says sh. What does TCH say? What does WH say? And what does PH say? Remember, these are all called diagraphs. So you guys have watched the videos of those this week. Alright, let's tap these words out. Sh, if, ol, chill. Good job. Make sure you're tapping with me. N, win. Chest, chest. Pinch, pinch. Alright, let's say these words. You ready? Whip. W-H-I-P, whip. Whale. W-H-A-L-E, well. Make sure you're saying it with me. Catch. C-A-T-C-H, catch. Match. M-A-T-C-H, match. Chin. C-H-I-N, chin. Graph. G-R-A-P-H, graph. Shop. S-H-O-P, shop. Wit. W-I-T-H, wit. Many. M-A-N-Y, many. Around. A-R-O-U-N-D, around. Alright, let's fill these in. We have whip. Whip. What would go there? If you said H, you're correct. Okay, this word was a whale. Whale. So A would go there. Okay, catch. Catch. So C-A-T-C-H. I'm going to match. Match. That's a diagraph at the end. You said C. You're correct. Now we have chin. Chin. You said you're correct. Graph. What was that diagraph? If you said P, you're correct. Shop. Shop. What's that vowel? What's that vowel? You said aw. You're correct. Now we have with. With. What's that vowel? What? It. You said I. You're correct. Okay, we have many. Many. What's the beginning sound? Many. You said M. You're correct. Then we have around. Ooh, that one's kind of tricky. A-R-O-U-N-D. Good job. Let's look at our sight words again one more time. Ready? Around. A-R-O-U-N-D. Around. By. B-Y. By. Many. M-A-N-Y. Many. Place. P-L-A-C-E. Place. Walk. W-A-L-K. Walk. Alright, let's find the words. Let's first find around. You see it? I see it. I see it right here. A-R-O-U-N-D. Alright, I'm going to give you just a second to find by. Can you see by? I see it. B-Y. Good job, guys. Now the next word is many. Can you see these by many? I see it up and down. Right here. M-A-N-Y. Good job, first graders. Alright. Place. Let's see if we can find place. Oh, I see it. P-L-A-C-E. Place. Alright, walk. Last one. Can you find walk? I see at the very tip top. Good job. Right here. W-A-L-K. Good job, first graders.